If X.com or Twitter videos are not loading on your PC, don't worry, this is usually a browser issue and can often be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple steps to get videos loading again. Disabling ad blockers, trying a private window, and clearing your browser cache and cookies. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, disable any ad blockers you have installed in your browser. Ad blockers are useful in many cases, but sometimes they interfere with video playback on X.com and stop content from loading properly. If you're using an extension like AdBlock, uBlock Origin, or any similar tool, open your browser extensions and temporarily turn it off for X.com. You can also whitelist X.com if your ad blocker gives you that option. After disabling it, refresh the page and check whether the video loads. In many cases, this alone solves the problem. If the video still is not loading, the next thing to try is opening X.com in a private or incognito window. A private window starts a fresh session without using your usual browser extensions, cookies, or saved site data. This makes it a great way to test whether the issue is caused by something stored in your browser. To do this, open your browser menu and choose New Private Window or New Incognito Window. Then go to X.com and try playing the same video again. If it works here, that usually means one of your extensions or stored browser files is causing the issue. If you still have problems, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, old cached files and corrupted cookies can cause websites like X.com to behave strangely, including videos not loading, freezing, or showing errors. To clear them, go to your browser settings. Look for privacy, security, or history, depending on the browser you are using. Then find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. You can usually choose a time range like all time to fully refresh the browser data. Once you clear it, close and reopen your browser, then sign back into X.com and test the video again. After completing these steps, most video loading issues on X.com or Twitter should be fixed on PC. Start with disabling ad blockers, then test a private window, and if needed, clear your cache and cookies for a clean reset. If the issue continues after that, it may be a temporary site problem or a browser compatibility issue. But in most cases, these 3 fixes do the job. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.